do or die for the final. Good luck this sa ating mga referee. Referee Sherman, referee Bird, and referee Ashford. Ball on ball. Pagiging natin, 52 sa Emily. Ang naglalay sa atin, si Tupi. Siyempre, ano si Go? Alis mo sa si Go. Oh, first one po, 14. Good luck po. Ayun na lang.
Wala tayong magagawa, man.
Marin tayo. Last 2 minutes, fourth quarter, ang stop time natin. FIFA rules po tayo sa oras.
Kahit ano tawag dito.
Okay, 1 more student pa rin ang quarter natin.
Regular season.
Bago ko din, sa na. Pogi-pogi, basta-basta. Okay, okay na. Jump ball. Okay, first possession natin. Gigan. Table tayo.
Baway lang.
Please, sit down. Man, so good. Rebound, Patukan, 84. Number 84, foul pass. Turnover yan. Bola, Team Gigan. Going. Number 22. Number 22. 4-3. No good. Offensive rebound. Very good. Okay. Oy! Steal! Oy! Foul pa. Double hit. Followed. Number 18. Take was one. First.
Dikit lang.
First personal foul. First team foul. Patukan, number 84. 4-3. No good. Offensive rebound. Number 8. Oy! Foul. Number 22. First personal foul. Second team foul. Should be foul. Continue number 8.
Defense.
Short. Okay, last row.
Kamukha ka na.
Wala. Pakayo. Rebound. 33. Number 22. Number 22. Number 23. Number 20. Number 18. Grabe. Nakakali mga pang sa dribble.
Ano lang, pre, dikit lang.
Number 98.
Bitaw!
84. 38. 19. 2 points. First basket natin.
Likod!
Almost. Number 22, yung pinagaw. Guarded by number 19, Pesela. Shot lang 14. Open for 3. No good. Offense. Rebound 18. Ano naman? Rebound 38. Good. 84. 3 on 2. Stop it pa. Wala. Rebound number 18. Take one.
Bitaw!
Stella Cruz fires. Short. Offensive rebound. Stella Cruz. For ulit. Pasong paral. Solo pa. Turnover yan. Nandito pa.
Dito ka.
Malapit pa.
Si.
Number 22. Number 22 pa rin. Selling the play. 23. Step shot. To Tevela, 98. Tevela, oh. Tevela, oh, nalibre. In and out. Count 33. Exactly 7 minutes. Scoring closer. Open, Terry with a shot. Overshoot. Rebound 38 naman. To number 84, Patong Bakal. Number 84. Setting the play. Sevilla 58. Number 8, corner 3. Short. Rebound 31, number 18. Number 22. De La Cruz, open for 3.
What's up, what's up,
Number
what's up?
22. Sevilla 98. Number 84.
Ulang.
Patong Bakal. To number 8. To Sevilla. 10 seconds to shoot or steal. Oy, foul. Foul on number 84. First personal foul, first team foul. 6-4. Wala. De La Cruz. To number 22. Troy. De La Cruz. 28 right, dish out, number 22, open for 3.
Wow!
Loko lang, loko. Loko. Oh, yan. 38, open rebound, 2 points. Ansa, number 38, number 22. Number 22, De La Cruz. Okay. 33, extra pass. 18, 10 seconds to shoot. Perry there, overshoot ulit. Rebound, Tevela, 98. Oy, foul! Naku. Teka, siya na foul. Foul on number 22. Substitution rep. Second personal foul, number 22. Third team foul. Oh, sub. Remaining time, 5:07. O, sobra kayo, hindi. Sobra kayo, alit kayo. Loko lang po. Number 9, Sergi Galacio, Yato, number 3. Shot lang 14 seconds. Shot lang 14. Number 9, fake, 10 seconds to shoot. Drive, block by number 18. Wala pa rin. Bola, nagsigas. Oy, turnover. Ito play, nice play. Block by number 33. 28, 22. Number 22. To 18. Nice pass. 2 points. Number 22. 2 points. Number 18. Galacio, number 9.
Labi.
Turnover yan. Velasquez, bola. 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Traveling lang yan. Uy, ganda. Baseball tayo, sir. Sa gitna. Number 22.
Bitaw.
De La Cruz, take. Nice pass. Oy. O, sabi. Substitution. 3 minutes and 34 seconds. First quarter. Number 9. Uy, 9. Galan. Yato, number 3. 40 seconds to shoot. Floater. Uy. Follow number 33. First personal goal, cover. White. a foul. Shooting foul.
Nice.
Connect. Okay, second free throw for number 3, Yanto. 2 for 2. Number 21. De La Cruz, 28. Foul number 31. Big. 22. De La Cruz, 10 seconds to shoot. Steal number 9. Ready? To Yanto. Yanto. 2 points. Change play ball. Lawak na. PBSA. Number 31, setting a play to De La Cruz. Foul number 31. 22. Open for 3. Galasso, number 13, paso number 9, Felix, paso Galasso, corner three, the final, 2 minutes and 20 seconds, 1 point lead, ETS, 11-10, no look back, steal, turnover yan, Yato, nakapul eh, sabi, Baik, masuk number 17. Number 21. Exactly 2 minutes. To number 22. Back to number 21. Extra pass. Indeed. Short. Rebound 17. Number 13. Galasso. Steal number 22. Number 13, first personal foul, second team foul. Second team foul pala, nice foul yun. Hindi, sa ilalim. Number 18, dish out, extra pass 21. Number 22, raise up, boy! Palitan lang ang labang. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Yanto, number 3. 17, fire, short. About 17. Oh, steal. Number 9. Number 9. Top shot, block. 45, 10 last hit. No good. 1 minute left.
Ulang.
Number 18, top shot. Wala. Offensive rebound. Foul. Number 35. Second personal foul. Pangatlong team foul pa lang. Pangatlo pa lang. First personal foul lang. First pala, sorry. Una pa lang. Okay, good.
Bitaw.
Over for 3. Incomplete. Number 17. Number 3, Yanto. Yanto back to 17. Galasso, 14 seconds to shoot. Galasso, 10 seconds. Number 9, D3. Wala. Offensive rebound, Yanto. Wala pa rin. O, shot na ko. 20 seconds. Wala. 8 seconds. 5. Wala. End of the first quarter, 15-11. So we'll see. Okay, commercial break. Kaya na. Brought to you by Halo.
Bago. Para lang tayo.